Are you trying to learn more about iCoinPro to see if this is a legitimate system to get started with that you can make money online with? Thank you so much for being on this video. My name is Justin Temple, and I am riding a jet ski on Lake Logan Martin out in Birmingham, Alabama, on vacation, enjoying the laptop lifestyle. And I really love the iCoinPro system. And in this video, I'm going to share with you why I like it and why you're going to want to decide to take action, get started, pull out your credit card, and buy your iCoinPro membership right now. So really quick, please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for future videos about network marketing, MLM, and how to make money from home. And I am a top 8 recruiter in iCoinPro at the time right now. So yes, I am one of the leaders, and I will be even higher on the leaderboard soon. So the reason that you should get started in iCoinPro is, one, it's actually not that expensive. It's only $50 a month to be able to be a part of iCoinPro. And then, because it's $40 a month for the training, $10 a month for the tool, really inexpensive. You're going to be able to learn a skill set. So with iCoinPro, you're going to be able to learn a skill set where you can actually be able to do something where you can change your life. No one can ever take away your day trading skills, and your day trading skills do not depend on whether someone wants to buy or not. Let me just make sure this is okay. So anyways, the iCoinPro micro profit system is really awesome, and I enjoy making money without having to recruit people, and then I use that money to recruit even more people. So I really enjoy the iCoinPro system, and it's not that expensive, and it's an asset, not a liability. So how many network marketing companies have you joined where it's actually going to just fill up your garage and be completely useless, and now you got to give that stuff away for free and hope that people, ask you more questions about the company and things like that? Well, this is not the same kind of program. With iCoinPro, you're going to be able to make money faceless. So another thing about iCoinPro is people want to do faceless income, right? People don't want to do videos like this because they're embarrassed or they're actually not making shit. Of course people want to make videos of them doing stuff, but most people don't make shit, or they're scared to make basic videos of a white background at their house. So a lot of people want to do faceless videos and faceless income, and with iCoinPro, you can actually do that. You don't need to show your face. You can actually use the system, click, 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 click on the computer, and change your life and make millions of dollars through day trading. No income guaranteed. Results are not guaranteed. Markets are volatile and everything's on you. But network marketing is like this whole business. You got to talk to people, recruit people, and build funnels and systems and email marketing and connect all these things. And if they don't connect, it's going to be really, really hard. But with day trading, you can wake up with the iCoinPro system and spend 10 to 30 minutes a day and just look at the software and find day trades. You don't need to struggle to buy solo ads and hope they work and test and test and test. And then you're never even going to make money because you're all buying shit traffic anyways. So with iCoinPro, it's so much better because all you got to do is actually follow the system. And let me get out of the sun real quick. Is follow the system and click, 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 and follow the software, and you'll be able to make money from home. It's that simple. So if you're looking for faceless income, then this is the program for you. Okay, iCoinPro is the #1 network marketing faceless program that you don't even have to do anything as far as talking to people, building an email list, and things like that. So I really enjoy this system for other people. I audit programs, and I like to coach people. I coach people on how to day trade in iCoinPro. I demo the software, I demo the system, and you can actually invite your team onto my live Zooms and webinars to actually coach them. So you can leverage me, and I'm the only person right now in iCoinPro that does that. I'm the best leader, I'm the best sponsor because I actually use the product, and I demo the product and teach you how to use the product, and I'll even teach your team how to use the product. How fucking awesome is that? So it's like you have complete leverage, and you're never going to have to be able to struggle in iCoinPro when you're on my team. So let me go ahead and get back in the sun real quick so you can see me. So anyways, just shooting some videos out here real quick before we go, and I really love this system because it fits everything that people really want. People want faceless income. People want something that's not so expensive. People want to be able to make money in 10 to 30 minutes a day. People want to be able to have a product that's not going to fill their garage and actually help them make money. And then the owners are always open, transparent, and available for you to reach out to. And so this is really just everything you've been looking for in a network marketing program. And so thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Please like, subscribe, comment, and hit the bell notifications for more videos. And we are going to go riding right now. Let's see, my dad and uncle and sister are riding right now. I just want to shoot some videos. But thank you so much. Hope you're having a wonderful day. And click the link down below right now to get started in iCoinPro. Click the link right now.
I struggled online for nearly 2 years trying to sell or recruit, and all I wanted to do was be a stay-at-home mom. I finally found something that's actually working and it isn't consuming my life. I can just trade whenever I want to, and I've quadrupled my money.
That was my biggest fear when I first got started, that I would be stuck to my computer trying to learn how to trade. But I remember my first night of actually trying to go through the training. I took about 2-3 hours. I set it aside. I went through the training modules on trading, and I'm not the smartest guy, so I really appreciated that they broke it down into a simple language for me. And that night, after watching the 2-3 hours of training, I set my first trade, and the next morning I woke up to my first profitable trade, and I couldn't have been more excited. And since then, it's just been a growing ball of momentum for me.
I had never traded my whole life. I had never done any type of financial work. I'm always been in an IT background, and it was straightforward and simple for me. No need to draw up all these charts and stuff, and makes it very simple. So highly encourage you to try it out. A great system, great support, and a great community. Always somebody around to help you.
I went through the training, the micro profit system training. I use the tools they have called Trade Finder, and my last 4 trades have yielded a 7% profit, a 4% profit, a 6% profit, and another 7% profit.
What's going on? I was able to quit my full-time job in less than 6 months just because of this system alone, and now I'm a full-time crypto trader.
Now I'm making 1%, 2%, even 4% trades on a daily basis just by following a simple system.
Is the Bitcoin opportunity over? I mean, what if you didn't get to buy Bitcoin at $1 or $100 or even $1,000? Well, in my opinion, absolutely not. In fact, it's really just beginning, and the opportunity lies now in trading Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies for profit. Hi, my name is Justin Clark, and I'm the creator of the Micro Profit System for Bitcoin and cryptocurrency trading and founder of iCoinPro. I was personally able to more than 10x Bitcoin's returns using a simple system with super fast, low risk, and low stress trades. And the best part is, anyone can do it too. Since 2017, I've helped thousands of people get started with cryptocurrency and shown them how to successfully buy, sell, and trade them for profit. Some of them even making enough money to quit their jobs and go full time. When Coinbase came to me to help create their new Coinbase Advanced Trading platform, I knew I was starting to make waves with what I was doing. It was an honor to be chosen out of over 100 million users to assist on that vital project for them, and it's great to trade every day on a platform that I helped create. We actually live in exciting times for Bitcoin and crypto. Right now, they're going through a phase where they are being legitimized in the eyes of the world. They're being recognized in the financial markets, they are being accepted by governments around the world. In essence, they are going mainstream. What that means is stability for this new asset class, and that means long-term opportunity for you. So as you can see, Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are definitely here to stay. But again, where's the opportunity now for the average person who didn't get to buy Bitcoin at $100? Well, imagine this. What if there was a complete training program that was simple to understand, that showed you exactly when to buy and sell coins for profit? What if there was a software that crawled the exchanges 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year, looking for trade opportunities for you? What if there was a real opportunity where you can make some extra money each month, or even potentially a full-time income and replace your job, working at home or wherever you are, all through trading cryptocurrencies? Well, guess what? There is. Welcome to iCoinPro and the Micro Profit System. With the Micro Profit System, it doesn't even matter whether Bitcoin goes up, down, sideways, or in loop-to-loops. The reality is, there's tremendous profits to be made consistently if you know what you're doing. Even when a coin is going down in price, you can profit, and I'll show you how. Look at this chart. This coin is going down and decreases in price by 13% on this chart. But the reality is, nothing goes up or down in a straight line in trading. Actually, as it goes down, there are certain signals we teach you to read that show you when there are going to be turnarounds. And these are micro profits that can be made every single time. In fact, on this coin, you could have made a potential 14.5% profit if you knew how to trade it, all while it went down by 13%. There are also times when coins make bigger price movements up after having found a floor. They can go up sometimes 10, 20, 30% or even more in the space of a couple days. And with our exclusive Trade Finder software, we are sending signals to you 24/7, 365 of these potential trades before they even happen, right to your computer or your smartphone. There really is nothing else out there right now like iCoinPro's Trade Finder. It finds these potential trades for you so you can ride that rocket all the way to the top. Now, cryptocurrency markets are like a roller coaster ride. They go up, they go down, they go up, they go down, sometimes really fast. You have to know when to get on that roller coaster and, more importantly, when to get off. There are plenty of examples where people have lost money simply because they didn't know how to read the signals to get off the roller coaster ride before it crashed. And that's exactly what you learn in iCoinPro. Even if you're a total newbie, we've got you covered. We teach you everything from buying your first Bitcoin, setting up your accounts, all the way through to advanced modules like reading and understanding charts, using resistance levels, and of course, trading to maximize your profits with Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Founded in 2017, iCoinPro has expanded to countries all across the globe with thousands of members who have learned this system. We have a vibrant community of people in our forums that are there to help each other succeed, so you are definitely never alone. So as you can see, everything is here under one roof. Other trading programs for Forex, futures, etc. can cost you thousands of dollars to get started and hundreds of dollars per month, and don't even offer anywhere near the training or software and tools that you get with iCoinPro. With iCoinPro, you can get started for just $99.95 and only $39.95 per month. In fact, some of our students make more money on their very first trade than it even costs to join iCoinPro. On top of the iCoinPro Trade Finder system helping you pick off winning trades to make daily, weekly, and monthly profit, you can earn even more through iCoinPro's powerful Powerline system and affiliate compensation plan. In fact, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a free, temporary position in our company Powerline. And with millions of people around the world wanting to learn how to profit in cryptocurrency, every time a new person does the same, they will be placed below you in the Powerline. Each Wednesday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of iCoinPro for just $99.95 to start and just $39.95 per month moves to the top of the Powerline above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our fast-filling 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line in the highest available position following their enroller. And the way our compensation plan works, everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the ones who are already in there. So if anyone is placed under you in the matrix, whether you personally introduced them or they were enrolled by people above you in the matrix, you will get paid on them. In fact, just one person who goes to work could potentially earn you hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month, even if you don't enroll anyone yourself. And if you do choose to share the iCoinPro system and opportunity with others, you can earn significantly more. With the most powerful matching bonuses in the industry, just by enrolling 2 people, you literally triple your earning potential. With thousands of people joining iCoinPro in the next 24 months, the only place they can go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your spot, the higher you will be positioned. Fill out the form on the right to reserve your spot today and see why people are calling iCoinPro the best kept secret in this industry.